B. So already ma'am I taught you cursive, capital B cursive I finished, See, that is left slanting line, then roll it back, then reverse C and one more reverse C. This is capital cursive B. This is capital cursive B. So ma'am, next I am going to teach small cursive B. See how to write the small cursive B. You keep your pencil on the second blue line. You have to go like this. See, go up to red blue line, then roll it up, then come down, then you roll like this. This is small cursive B. This is small cursive B. See here, let me teach once again. The first step is you have to keep your pencil on the second blue line. See, then you bring your pencil. You have to go like the left slanting line. See, then up to red line, you roll it. See, while you're rolling that time, you have to cross in the first blue line. Okay kids, you have to cross in the first blue line. You have to come straight only. You have to cross in the first blue line, then come straight, then again roll, see, up to first blue line, and here also one rolling. See, this is small cursive B. What is letter? Small cursive B. Let's say once again, come on. The first step, you have to go from second line to red line. Then this is first step. Then second step, you have to roll. You have to roll and come down. Next, third one, see. Third step, you roll it like a B and you rolling here also. Okay kids, this is small cursive B. Let me write once again, see. You have to keep your pencil on the second blue line. Then go like a left slanting line up to red line. Then roll and cross in the first blue line. Then come straight. Again roll. Then again roll near the first blue line. This is small cursive B. Small cursive B. See once again. Go up, roll and cross in the first blue line. Then come up to second blue line. Then again you put a curve, see, curve. Then roll in the first blue line. This is small cursive B. Okay kids. So in your language note, first one page fully you have to finish small cursive B. Small cursive B. Next, the first one page you finish it small cursive B, baby. Next you take next page. The next page you have to divide it into 3 columns. So the first half you write capital cursive B. Then second half you have to try the small cursive B. Okay kids? Okay?
We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter B. This is a capital B. This is a lowercase b. You know how the B looks. Now let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 b. Yes! B is for ball. B is for baby. B is for a blue balloon. B is for book. B is for bird. B is for the bus. You know some B words, now let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 b. Your turn. B, 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 b.